Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is the Ugly Ducklings puzzle. Ugly Ducklings is a design by Volker Latusek, and actually its history is one of serendipity. Volker asked me to design a different or to prototype a different puzzle for him that had some duck pieces, but I made a mistake. I was tired and I made the duck pieces in the wrong shape. So yeah, we could just throw away all the duck pieces, but then I asked Volker whether he could find another puzzle that's using these duck pieces. And here is his design, and the object of the puzzle is to put 7 of those ugly ducklings into this big pond. And the puzzle itself, it has many solutions, so that's not that interesting. So Volker came up with the idea to put them in a pond, so presume that the lid is glued onto it, then suddenly the puzzle has a unique solution. There is only one solution where you can get all the ducks out of the pond and where you can get them into the pond as well. And yeah, this is a very nice rescue. Originally, Volker designed the pond with a square gap, but then he came up with the round gap that's much easier it looks much better, so we decided for that one. And obviously when you get the ducks into the pond, sometimes you need to rotate the whole duck family to get them in and out. And yeah, here we have the 7 ducks. Of course they don't fit in the pond if you try it like that. But yeah, I have a question to you, and that is about yeah, an expression. You know that there is an expression about having your ducks in a row. And well, here we are. Let's get them in a row. And this expression about having your ducks in a row, what does it mean? Thank you for watching.